In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MetaMask extension to your Brave browser. This will allow you to manage your cryptocurrency transactions with ease, right from the convenience of your browser. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get up and running in no time. First things first, let's open up your Brave browser. This is crucial because all the additions and modifications we'll be making today are specific to the Brave environment. Once you've got your Brave browser open, take a look at the top right corner. You should be able to see three horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the menu icon. Click on that. A list of options will appear before you. From this menu, you're going to select Extensions. This will open up a dashboard where you can manage and view all the extensions you currently have in Brave. Now, as you scroll to the bottom of this extensions page, you'll find an option labeled Get More Extensions. Go ahead and click that. This click will take you to the Chrome Web Store in a new tab. It's important to note that Brave supports all Chrome extensions, so anything available in the Chrome Web Store can be added to your Brave browser. The Web Store is where we'll find the MetaMask extension. In the top left corner of the Web Store page, you'll see a search box. Click into it and type MetaMask. This will bring up a list of extensions related to your search. You're specifically looking for the one labeled MetaMask, typically denoted by a small fox icon. When you see it, go ahead and click on it to bring up the MetaMask extension page. Once you're on the MetaMask extension page, you'll have the opportunity to learn more about the features and benefits of MetaMask if you wish. But for our purposes today, let's go directly to the Add to Brave button, which you will see on the extension page. Click on that button. This click will trigger a pop-up notification asking if you'd like to add MetaMask as an extension to Brave. You'll now see a prompt that essentially confirms the permission and requirements needed by the MetaMask extension to run within your browser. On this pop-up, all you need to do is click Add Extension. Once you do, Brave will handle the rest, integrating MetaMask right into your browser's functionality. And there you have it. MetaMask is now installed as an extension in your Brave browser. It will likely appear next to your other extensions at the top right corner of the browser window. Congratulations! You're now all set to start using MetaMask to manage your crypto endeavors securely and efficiently directly from your Brave browser. Keep exploring and enjoy the seamless experience that Brave and MetaMask combined offer.